Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. It is going to be a very exciting one. It has also been a real hot minute since I have posted anything. So today's video is going to be just a little vlog about a really nice Louis Vuitton event that I am going to be attending tonight. I am dressed for the day because I have a few errands to run before the actual event, but I wanted to kind of sign in with you guys, say hello, and give you a little bit of an introduction. So Louis Vuitton is having this amazing event tonight, celebrating 10-year anniversary of Nicolas Ghesquière, which is the creative director for women's, and yeah, they're having an event to celebrate, and I have been invited, so it's really exciting, and I'm really excited for this opportunity to attend. And of course I want to bring you guys along with me so you guys can have a look to see what these events are like. It's going to be a big event, is what I've been told. Sometimes it can be a little bit disappointing, you never know what they're actually going to be like, but I have been told it's going to be quite big. It's off-site, so it's not in the store. It's just like they've hired an actual venue, so it's going to be like a relatively big one. So at the moment, I am dressed kind of for the day, which is very casual because I do have a lot of errands to run. I've got to pick up a shirt for tonight, and I've got to pick up, do my makeup and everything. So this is just what I'm going to look like for the day. But once the evening comes around, I have a makeup appointment at 4 o'clock that I'm going to, so don't worry, I will be looking a lot better than this. I will have a professional do my makeup. So, yes, I am, as you can see, this is my outfit, not the garment bag. The outfit is inside. I am packing. I am going to be staying at a hotel tonight because it's going to be, like an event, and I don't really want to be rushed. And with the errands that I need to run in the city, I do need a home base. So I am kind of packing here, as you can see. If you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen this already because I will be posting all of this on there. And it would be obviously way ahead of time. My YouTube videos are like a month late, so I do apologize. To everybody that has been following me for a while, thank you so much. You have no idea how grateful I am that you guys spend your precious time watching these videos. Hopefully it's relaxing, that it's enjoyable, and yeah, that you can kind of just go on this journey with me. I have a whole outfit planned for tonight. I went huge shopping, spent way too much money. It is going to be a complete top to toe Louis Vuitton outfit. I have a brand new coat, brand new pants, brand new shoes. I spent a lot, and it's all from the women's fall winter 24 collection. So let me just quickly show you my outfit for the day, and then I'm going to have to run. So guys, this is my outfit for the day, running around in errands. As you can see, super casual. It is my Louis Vuitton zip t-shirt, which I think is such a good purchase. I've worn this so much, and it's been amazing. It's casual, it's just easy to wear. It's so good, especially when you're wearing makeup. You can actually undo the zip. Here, it's functional, and then you can just kind of pull it up. So when you're changing and whatnot, you don't get makeup on your clothes. It is perfection. Pants, I am just wearing some Zara cotton pants that are slim leg, high-waisted, super form-fitting. I love them. They are gorgeous. And for shoes, I am wearing my, what are these? Timberlands, my black Timberlands that I got in Spain. So, and then for my handbag, I'm going to be wearing my Kelly for the day. So for the evening, I am not going to ruin my outfit. I will show you guys what I'm going to be wearing once I get changed, and then I will show you also my finished makeup and my hair. It's going to be super exciting. So, can't wait to show you guys everything. Okay guys, so we are all checked in. This is the hotel room, which I'm kind of excited to show you guys. It's pretty basic, but I really do love the Shangri-La because they have that old luxury kind of touch and feel, that old money aesthetic, which I really love. So let me show you guys around. So through the front door, we have the bathroom. I love the shaker doors, which are these kind of grooves on the panels. I think it's so nice, very like Victorian, Elizabethan kind of style. You have the bathroom here, and you've got the tub. And yes, look at that. It's kind of very like old style. It's like a very classic. It's not like an outdated kind of feel. It's like a timeless dated kind of feel. Anyways, yes, I really like this aesthetic. You have gorgeous carpet. My outfit is all racked up over there. Okay guys, so it is a twin room because I will be having my friend Michelle join me tonight. And yeah, this is the aesthetic, super cute. And of course it's the Opera House view, not straight out there, but round the side here. Look at that view, guys, so gorgeous. And what I really love is that the windows have cushions on them, so you can actually sit down and enjoy the view, which is really, really fabulous. Okay, you guys, so I am going to sign off for now because I do have to run around the city today. I do have quite a few errands to do. I've got to pick up my shirt, like I said before. Then I need to come back here. I need to shower so that I can clean my face, go to my makeup appointment. I also need to probably pick up a couple of other things as well. But yeah, so it's going to be a really hectic day. I don't usually vlog kind of like, you know, out in the city. I do like to respect people's privacy and I don't like to kind of, you know, like intrude on them. So I won't be filming all of that stuff, but I will come back to you as soon as I'm back in the hotel. I'm settled in. I will show you, probably my next check-in will be my makeup having been finished. If you guys do like to kind of stay up to date, do follow me on Instagram though, because I will post photos and updates throughout my entire journey. So yes, do follow me, and that way you guys kind of get that up to date and you know, always checking in kind of feel. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna have to head off because I am in such a rush. I will see you guys when I get back. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, so I'm back from my running errands and it is so windy outside. It is ridiculous. Oh, okay, let me show you this. Okay, can you guys see how windy? Look at those trees. Oh my God, it's so windy. I don't know if that really highlights like how windy it is out there, but like I went to Pandora and Zara to pick up some stuff for tonight. So I got some pearls and a white shirt from Zara, which will go underneath my coat. And I will show you that once I try it on. But like I was gripping the bags so much, it's like completely creased. I was gripping it so hard. I was like, oh my God, so worried that it was gonna like fly out. Okay guys, so I am back from running my errands and I am going to now shower and get ready to clean my face so that I have no makeup on whatsoever, go to my makeup appointment, and then, yeah, put my face on, and then put my outfit on. But I will try my outfit on with the pearls that I got along with the shirt because obviously I need to see what it looks like. I've given myself an extra hour, so I am an hour ahead of schedule just in case the two things that I picked up did not work out. But let me show you what I got. I'll try them on and then you will see. Oh my God, you guys, I just realized that there is no full-length mirror in this hotel room. Okay, so I'm gonna have to show you my outfit or my purchases in this bathroom mirror, which is very big anyway, so that's really good. I will probably have to show you guys my outfit, maybe get Michelle, my friend, to do a little whip around for you guys to show you my complete look. But basically the first thing that I got today, and I walked down from my hotel to Zara to pick this white shirt up. It's probably not coming up really well on camera, but this shirt I think is actually really perfect for tonight because what I was looking for was a basic white silk shirt that has a plunging v-neck, and this is so perfect that by design there's actually no buttons up here. So the shirt's actually designed to sit open like this, which I think is so perfect. For tonight, I will actually be flipping the collar up. And because of that, because the collar will be up, the sleeves are also perfect because you can see that the cuffs are this huge white cuff here with no buttons up to the very top. So it just kind of like comes down here and it's like open here. And I think it's gonna look perfect. It goes really well with the collar, so it's going to be amazing. And yeah, so this is the top. It's something really basic, and I also really love the detailing. So on the buttons, I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see, but it is actually mother of pearl details. So let me just show you guys. So you can see, look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. And it's perfect because look, it matches my nails. I literally did my nails in pearl, like gold flakes underneath, but like a pearl top coat. Because also what I got from Pandora is, let me show you guys. So it is this beautiful bag in here, and let me just open it up for you guys. Hopefully I will be able to do this with one hand. There we go. Ooh, nice, beautifully wrapped. And, oh, okay, you guys, so, all right. Ooh, okay, look at this. It is just this beautiful, gorgeous wild pearl necklace. So it is going to go so well with my nails, and the buttons on this shirt, it is just gorgeous. It's a pearl choker, so it's going to go right around my neck, and it is just so beautiful. And it wasn't really expensive either. I think it was only like $595, and it's real pearls, obviously, wild pearls, so caught straight from the ocean, and it is just absolutely stunning. I think it's so beautiful. Cannot wait to wear this tonight, put it all together for you guys. So actually, speaking of putting it together, I have kind of given you a little sneak preview of what my look for tonight is going to kind of like be, or very, yeah, it's going to kind of have this aesthetic, a flipped collar, and then it will have just this beautiful pearl choker. And matching nails, buttons, all down to the detail. It has all been really thought out, and I'm so excited. I'm not going to reveal my complete outfit because I still obviously have pants and a coat and shoes that are from Louis Vuitton. So that'll be my complete outfit, but I am so excited to show you guys. So right now I have to shower and then kind of clean myself so I can make my way down to my makeup appointment. And then I will show you my complete outfit later on, and I will show you kind of what we're gonna do for the face as well. So I'm so excited. Stay tuned, guys. Fucking fabulous. Look at us. We look great. Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, it has been such a wild night last night. So I wasn't able to film, you know, kind of like a walking vlog last night at the party, but I did get a lot of snippets and everything for you guys. The party was phenomenal. The venue was amazing. The people were amazing. I met so many gorgeous girls and men, and it was just like fantastic. Like everyone was just so nice, so lovely. The DJ was great. I kind of do wish, like, there was one part where like they had the spotlight on the DJ and it was all about his music, and I thought that that moment would have been so good for them to like do like a catwalk moment, which would have been so amazing. But yeah, otherwise the party was great. We got to see obviously 10 exhibition pieces from the fall winter 24 collection from the runway, and that was great. And yeah, it was just lots of drinks and cute canapes. We had like a nice, photo moment and everything. It was just fabulous. It was so good. I'm so glad that I got invited. But yeah, now it's like back to reality and I have to go back to work, which is like, oh my God. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't really get to kind of show you guys my outfit properly last night because obviously like there's no full-length mirror in this hotel room, which is like super annoying. But also because like with my friend here, with Michelle here, I was like, oh God, I didn't really want to be in imposition and like, whip my phone out and, start speaking and ignoring her, because I just obviously wanted to be a good friend and pay attention and yeah, spend some quality time with her. So last night's outfit was obviously my black trench coat, which, not a trench coat, it's just a black coat. This gorgeous, I think it's like a pea coat, tail coat, and you would see, I'll put up a photo as well, like a comparison, because it was featured in the exhibition, and then I wore it. I got so many compliments on it. My pants as well, my pants were fabulous. They were so good. Such a good purchase. I love my pants so much. And yeah, it was just absolutely amazing. I loved every moment of it. The fashion show pieces were great. And my shoes as well, my shoes were fantastic. It was so comfortable. Definitely like no complaints at all. Okay, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the eye candy. You guys enjoyed, me taking you along to this really special Louis Vuitton event, celebrating Nicolas Ghesquière's 10-year anniversary being Women's Creative Director. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will do a proper unboxing of my outfit pieces because I have gone shopping so much recently. So I will be doing like a proper unboxing of all of my purchases. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next one.